Today I'm going to show you how to change line spacing on Wix. This is a really useful feature when you want to adjust the readability of your text or make your content look more polished and professional. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, showing you the different sites or mobile apps you have set up under your account. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Take a moment to make sure this is the website you wish to change line spacing on. It's always a good idea to double-check before making any edits, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you've confirmed the correct site, locate the Design Site button. You'll find it on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. This button takes you directly into the editing interface where you can customize your site's appearance. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, locate the text block or element you wish to change the line spacing on and click on it. You can identify text blocks by hovering over different sections of your page until the text element highlights. Once the text element is selected, you'll see an Edit Text menu appear on the top part of it. Go ahead and click on it. A text settings menu will open up, giving you access to a variety of formatting options. Scroll down until you find the character and line spacing section and click on it. A spacing slider will appear. From here, simply adjust the bar to showcase the spacing you wish to attain. Moving the slider to the right will increase the line spacing, making your text more airy and easier to read, while moving it to the left will tighten the spacing for a more compact look. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted the line spacing on your Wix website. This small change can make a big difference in how your content is presented and perceived by your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.